friends, it's me. My hair is a mess. I just woke up from a 2-hour nap. It's 2:30 in the morning. I had 2 bites of gluten in my ice cream and your girl got hella sick. I paid dearly for those 2 bites of macadamia nut ice cream, which I didn't even know there was a cookie in it. Before we get started, I wanted to introduce you to the tea of the day. Look at this beautiful cup. So this is fresh brewed jasmine tea, and they put oranges and orange pulp in it. Look at all those oranges. Wow, I'm a pulp kind of girl. So anyways, today, me and my friends all went out and we were like, hey, I wanted to do this blindfold outfit challenge. I'm not sure who started it. Maybe it was Sophia. Maybe it was PewDiePie. I don't know. Y'all know me. I don't watch challenges. I just do them. However, I want to do them. So the plan was to go into a Forever 21 blindfolded. So I had to get a shirt, a jacket, some kind of bottoms, shoes. Is that it? 4 items? Let's go. Okay, where's the blindfold? I need to get a blindfold first. Are you guys just gonna trust me like this?
No.
We'll get one inside.
Hi! I've never watched one of these videos. I just thought blindfold outfit challenge, so we're just gonna go in. I'm gonna have Mar help me. She's just gonna basically tell me what I need for the outfit, and I have to like pick something. Because I don't know if I'm going through shirts, I don't know if I'm going through pants. I'm just gonna go in right now and find an outfit. So we're getting eye masks. All they had was like a gel mask. It's fluffy and it's like squishy. I'm blind. Wow, I'm like extra blind.
What's the clothes? It's a jacket, a shirt, or a skirt, whatever you
I'm
part.
gonna make sure she gets everything that she really likes.
Are you wearing it when you get out of the store?
Okay, here we go.
Okay, this way. There's nothing here. Just go straight. Just go straight. Whoa. Don't free my little baby. Okay.
How do I know where the clothes are?
You shouldn't. No. No, never. I would never do that. We're gonna spin her here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, go.
I started. This feels gross, but it feels like it's cropped. Yes, it's cropped. I like this. It's croquet. This is a dress.
Did you say croquet? Crochet.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, I like that one actually.
I don't care what you guys think.
Oh, jeez.
Wait, are you putting stuff in front of me? This is a bodysuit.
This is gonna fit you. It's gonna look amazing on you.
No, it has no strap. Okay.
You want that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like how it feels.
Okay, guys, we got this one.
Whoa. I did not know there was clothes here. They're nylon ones. Yes, I wanted one of these.
These will go perfect.
Are they all nylon? Well, it smells like plastic. This one feels really weird. I'm trying to. Oh my god! I'm trying to figure out.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I really want one of these.
That's what you want?
This one feels weird. I know it's weird. Is it cropped? It's a little cropped. I feel like this is kind of like what I'm wearing right now.
Yeah, it totally looks like what you're wearing right now.
Here, there's more jackets. This one. I want this one, but in my size.
Okay, then find your size.
Does that feel like this?
No, you guys are supposed to get my size.
We're not helping you. We're just
What
guiding
size
you.
is that? Let's show your wolf pack. Oh, this is a large.
Yeah.
Oh.
You guys are ruining my challenge.
Please get those. Please get them. This is not gonna go with it.
Yeah, it will.
Oh no, this is overalls.
How about these?
These are overalls.
Yeah, you want pants, right? Yeah, get that so you can look like you're in Stranger Things.
Ew. What's this? A shoe? It's a shoe.
Grab the shoe again and point it to the camera as best as you
What's
can.
wrong with that?
Just do it. Just show it to the camera. To the camera.
Where's your camera?
Follow my voice.
Here?
To the camera.
Please
Can you push it forward so I can see it, please?
Where?
To the
Where
camera.
are you? You're right here. You're literally right here. I'm done with this. Digital talk. I'm coming for you.
No, don't give her any guidance. Let her follow her away.
Right here. He's stepping back. It's not fair that he can move away. Stop sorry, but we are interrupting this program for my closet sale. So I've talked about Poshmark before and done a bunch of giveaways. Poshmark is an app where you can buy yourself fashion. They got clothes, shoes, bags, all that good stuff. But today, I want to tell you about this awesome closet sale I'm doing on the Poshmark app. So I'm gonna be listing a ton of brand new items in my Poshmark store. Everything is gonna be 50% or more of the original price. So y'all gonna get crazy deals on brand new items from Nike, Adidas, Calvin Klein, and there will also be mystery items for sale on my closet. Like we got brand new items with tags from Key Australia, Free People, like bruh. So click the link in the description below, download the Poshmark app. My store name is Little Lia, and shop my closet sale.
Look at this jacket here. Oh my god, we are done with here.
No, Phil, it to your left, to your left, to your left.
This is a person.
It's a mannequin.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's Gordo, right? And not some random person.
No, it's a random person.
So this took way longer than I thought it was gonna take. Like they had me like spinning and walking around the whole store, and they did a lot of things for their own amusement. I stubbed my toe several times. I hit my elbow in places where elbows should never be hit.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Okay. This is not your hand. I'm not letting go. Okay, hands. Alright, are we just doing denim? Oh, these have cuffs. I like the ones with cuffs. But are they high-waisted? Yes, they are. Oh my god, it fits like perfectly around. Okay, so that's your size. There we go. Yeah, okay.
We're in the men's section.
That's orange. These are like for guys. Aren't they? Wait, she's so good. She's so good. Why are so good Stop being so good at this game. Stop it. Stop it.
You need to play this game with someone who's not good at clothes.
So good with clothes.
I mean, you could just climb over that if you want.
Can you climb over this?
Yeah, climb over it.
No, I can't. Higher up, Leah. Oh my god, I stubbed my toe. Okay, you know what? I'll take these. Those go with your outfit. I'm sure they do, Mar.
Are you ready? Your outfit's gorgeous.
So Gordo is paying for it right now. I haven't seen it yet. I'm just gonna pay for it. I'm gonna go through it when I get home.
She's like covering her face.
$98 for this outfit. I didn't know.
It's the best outfit you ever wear.
That's a lot for one outfit. Like
Well, you got
one
shoes
outfit.
and a jacket.
Oh, okay.
That's expensive.
That's like a whole outfit. Okay, that's
Yeah.
pretty good actually.
Yeah,
That's pretty good.
you're gonna love those shoes.
Yeah, hopefully.
So now, for the big reveal, I still don't know what is in here. This is gonna be the first time I see it. So we got this big old bag from Forever 21. We got a whole freaking outfit. Okay, I'm glad I picked the gray one because walking out, I saw a lot of like crazy colors and like plastic jackets, and I actually needed a windbreaker like this. Oh my god, it's cropped. Oh, this is exactly what I wanted. And a windbreaker, one that has like the, you can cinch the waist like this. I love that, and it's cropped and it's gray. I love the gray. I'm not sure how I feel about like the neon because I don't really wear neon. I'm okay with it. I might actually keep this. This is freaking cute. I wonder if there's another color, like a better color, like black. Black is always a better color. Blind Me did pretty good with this jacket. You know what's funny? This is the same one. As I was walking out, I was actually looking at this jacket. I was like, that's cute. If only it came in another color. But like, I love the ring zip. Ooh, what else did I get? I'm excited. What are the jeans? What jeans did I end up getting? I don't like these. Mid-rise. Oh, hell no. I don't F with mid-rise. These are $18. They're size 28. I think the 28 might be too big. I did the neck thing. Look. It like fits my neck. I mean, they feel nice. They have the cuffs on. That's why I bought them, because they have the cuffs. I really like jeans that have the cuffs, because then you don't get no like booty cheek sliding out. But these are nice. If only, I think they would actually be perfect if they were high-waisted. I've been looking for jeans like this. Like this material is my favorite. It's a super stretchy kind. But if these are high waist, perfect. Oh no, honey. What is this? Oh god. Yep, they had to be zebra, huh? They had to be zebra. How much were they? Oh, I paid $30 for these. Oh my God, these are going straight back. Straight back. This is the biggest disappointment. Look at these. I mean, they'll probably be cute by themselves, but like, I would never, ever, ever buy these or even like look twice at them. I don't like this. I like the material. The medium, y'all got me the wrong size. For real? I told them, I'm like, make sure it's like the right size. I'm like, this is not gonna fit me. My crack hurts just looking at this. I don't really like bodysuits, but like this is, I don't like this. This outfit is gonna be so ugly. I mean, at least it goes with the denim shorts. Let's see this monstrosity. Oh my God. Mar gave me a size 5.5. Bruh, I am a size 8. This is a size 5.5. My feet are suffocating in these. This is a no-go. One big fat hell no. Okay, let me back up to, my toes. It feels like they got like hella rubber bands wrapped around the toes and it's about to explode. I can't even walk these. Okay, we're gonna take these shoes off because they're not even remotely close to the correct size. Okay, well, I mean, this works. This is cute. Until you unzip it. Like these shorts, they fit like really well. But does the butt look good? Oh, I like these. They're cute. Until you open it. I mean, it's not the worst outfit in the world. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, I love how stretchy these are. These are like the stretchiest shorts imaginable. Like this material for denim shorts, the best. I mean, that's why I picked them. I caressed them. I was like, these feel nice. So yeah, this will do. Here's the finished outfit. Okay, I'm keeping the jacket, but like everything else ain't it. I do like the jacket. The jacket is really nice. This is why I don't wear bodysuits. Ew, it has like a stain on it. Like someone rubbed like dry barbecue sauce. This one has it too. It's weird. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below, what do you rate my outfit out of 10? And let me know what other challenges I should do next. And make sure you check out the link in the description below. Make sure you download Poshmark, shop my closet, follow my store, Little Lia, and make sure you hit that like button in the face and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.